Okay, so this is the second set I got out of my storage unit today. I don't think these were in the fire necessarily. I mean, they're rusty, but I don't see any of that black tarnish. These are some micro little cutters. Fortunately, I don't see a brand on them. There's a little pair of kind of like channel lock style pliers. This does have a marking on it. If I can get it to focus. I don't know if it's coming through, but it's a Blue Point made in the USA. So I believe Blue Point is like a lower end version of Snap-on, if I know correctly. Oh, there we go. So that's definitely a cool find. Another pair of needle nose, kind of a smaller pair. They're pretty much solid. Not much to be seen there. Got our neon orange handles. They say just chrome vanadium. The handles kind of remind me of Snap-on, but Snap-on, I believe, usually these are black and it would be marked. I mean, they look very usable though. These look like the same. Couple nut drivers. Kind of like the color and design, the amber color with the black stripe. It's just 3/16 and 1/4. I don't see anything else on them. It could just be a Taiwanese made little tiny screwdriver. Very rusty. I don't know if it'll show up, but it does say made in the USA. Who knows who made it though, what company. This one needs some restoration. That plastic degradation kind of taken over. Let's see if I can, looks like it says something under there. So where's that little screwdriver? American MH Products. Another 1/4 nut driver. That'll probably clean up. And these are super cheap Chinese. Like, it just feels cheap. It's wicked light. I'll probably just recycle that one. Kind of a nice looking wooden handle. See any markings, so it's probably a foreign, but I do like the wooden handle. The tip looks usable. Heiko, West Germany, a 22 or a 19, depending on what side you need. Chrome vanadium. It's kind of a nice looking wrench. I'm not familiar with that brand, but it's West German, so they say Germany has good steel, so we'll go with that. Tiny breaker bar. Mustang MM50, I think it says. It should be a US, right? Yeah, made in the US. I think someone's repaired the head. It doesn't look like a factory rivet to me. It does work, so I bet that would clean up pretty easily. Some type of Yankee screwdriver or something, I think. The oil outlet. showing up, but it's a Yankee number 45. Made in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, USA. North Brothers Manufacturing. It's a wood handle too, which is kind of cool. Another very rusty little wrench. Drop forged steel. But that's kind of cool, huh? Made in West Germany again. Didn't realize I had German stuff kicking around. I think this is part of a tap of die set, probably. I don't know if it's showing up, but General, which I believe is USA. Yep, made in the USA, number 102 or 182. This thing seems to be stuck here, so I don't know if that was. I think that's supposed to go across, right? And the tip still works. I've got two of these Calhawks screwdrivers. So I believe these were made with this rubber coating for like electricians to use around electric. I don't see a origins code though. Nice little Stanley. I don't know if this is actually a US or not. I like the yellow and black. Classic Stanley colors. I should know what this thing's called, but I don't remember. It's Fulton, made in the USA. Like a saw gauge of some type. Should get like a nail or something in the end. It's kind of tight. I'm not gonna mess it up right now. But I think that loosens up and you could tighten it to whatever size you needed. Some form of a knife. I don't know if the blade was supposed to look like that, but kind of looks like it was just like overly sharpened. Like aluminum with some nice wood. So I'm not sure what this is. It's just meant for a bolt. Or if it's a tap and die part, I don't see a marking on it either. What's this clear one? Nothing, just absolutely clear. Chrome, vanadium. Oh, it's like a Torx bit or something. Those are good to have. You don't need them all the time, but if you need one, you really need one. Found a little pulley. Can't imagine that being super useful. And the pair of needle nose. What does it say? England. Drop forged England, Fuller. Wow, we're just going all around the world apparently. I'm based in the US, so now I've got an English tool, a couple West German tools. I did have a cool Sweden wrench too. Got looks like an inexpensive ratchet. Still does work, technically. It looks like it's just a cheap Chinese or Taiwan. This looks like a vice grip, but it says Thorson on it. So I don't know if that's I was gonna say I don't know if that's a good thing, but it's Taiwan. So it's not very good, necessarily. And I think it's missing the spring too. This one looks like a little better quality. Master Mechanic, Taiwan. It's not bad. A couple of these screwdrivers. Considering the really poor paint job, look at that. I'll say these are probably Chinese, maybe came with a barbecue grill or something. These are really neat looking. USA with a shield. But unfortunately the handle's broken. Forged steel. So I'm kind of on the fence if that's worth keeping or if I should just recycle it. It's broken. Throw in the steel bucket for right now. Some solid tiny cutters. See if I can wipe off any of this crusty. No, there's something there, but I can't read it. It's too crusty. Utica maybe? UT? Utica's a good brand. US. Manufactured in the USA. Oh, Plum. I think it says Plum. We have it upside down. Some type of little pry bar. It's a different one. And this looks like garbage. Although the tip looks like it's usable, but I think it's just Chinese. What is this one? Oh, another torque type bit. Actually, it's not even a torque. Look at that. Some type of security bit, I think. Nice wooden handle. There is a label, but whatever it said's gone. Add that to the weird Torx bit collection. Nice wire wheel to help clean these tools up. That was in the bucket. Pair of steel scissors. I don't see any branding. Well, there's something there. I guess nothing special. Tiny master lock in the bag. (2003), which is actually 20 years ago, which is kind of amazing, really. Herbrand. 11 millimeters. Another 11 millimeters? That's weird. There's a whole bunch of different Allen wrenches. There's tons of these Allen wrenches. Some weird bits that I don't really know if that's a router bit or an old drill chuck thing. Part of a tap and die set. I think somebody cut it or broke it. Top looks like it's not even. Another Allen wrench. There's another tap and die. Yeah, see? I think it's supposed to have one of those tips on the end. And some more of these weird bits that I don't really know much about. Another tap and die thing. Here's the other part. I don't see any markings on it. A little drill bit. Nope, another one of these. And here's a big bit. Don't see any markings on it either. Need to come up with a good way to store all these drill bits and maybe organize them. Not that I use them very often, but if you do, it'd be nice to have it. Marked USA. Fairly large bits. See, that one's marked USA too. This weird drill bit. A paddle bit, 1 inch. Some type of a weird punch or something. It's weird shaped. I don't know. More Allen wrenches. More Allen wrenches. And then on a magnet. I got some more of these bits. Some type of safety pin or something. I don't know what all these are. Be good to get this stuff organized though. Slowly getting there. Once I get it organized, maybe I'll post a video of all the tools I've cleaned up and organized. Well, thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.